Welcome to our video on the history of photography. In this video, we will explore the origins of photography and how it has evolved over the years. From the early camera Obscura to the modern digital cameras, photography has come a long way. So let's dive in and discover the fascinating journey of this art form. Our story begins in ancient times with the invention of the camera Obscura. The camera Obscura, which means dark room in Latin, was a simple device that projected an image onto a surface. It consisted of a darkened room with a small hole in one wall. When light entered through the hole, it created an inverted image on the opposite wall. This was the precursor to the modern camera. Fast forward to the 19th century and we come across an important milestone in the history of photography: the first photograph. In 1826, Joseph Nicephore Niepce captured the first permanent photograph using a camera obscura and a light-sensitive material called bitumen of Judea. The exposure time for this photograph was a staggering 8 hours, but it marked the beginning of a new era. In 1839, Louis Daguerre introduced the Daguerreotype process, which revolutionized photography. This process involved exposing a silver-coated copper plate to iodine vapor, which made it light-sensitive. The plate was then exposed in a camera and developed using mercury vapor. The resulting image was a highly detailed, one-of-a-kind photograph. The daguerreotype quickly gained popularity and became the first widely used photographic process. The next major development in photography came with the invention of film. In the late 19th century, George Eastman introduced flexible film coated with a light-sensitive emulsion. This allowed photographers to capture multiple images on a single roll of film, making photography more accessible and convenient. The introduction of film also paved the way for the development of motion pictures, which brought photography to life. In the late 20th century, digital photography emerged as a game changer. With the invention of the digital sensor, images could be captured and stored electronically, eliminating the need for film. Digital cameras became smaller, more affordable, and offered instant image preview and editing capabilities. This revolutionized the way we take and share photographs, making photography accessible to everyone. As we look to the future, the possibilities for photography are endless. Advancements in technology continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. From high-resolution cameras to drone photography, we are constantly finding new ways to capture the world around us. Photography has become an integral part of our lives, allowing us to document and share our experiences like never before. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the history of photography. From the camera obscura to digital cameras, photography has evolved and transformed over the centuries. It has become a powerful medium of expression and a way to preserve our memories. So the next time you take a photograph, remember the rich history behind this art form. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more amazing facts.